Introducing the new Expandable Rainproof Backpack by LABFRESH. The functionality of a hiking backpack in a sleek, minimalist design.
Hi Kickstarter, we're back. 7 years ago we launched our odor and stay repellent shirts and became the most backed European apparel project in Kickstarter history.
But LABFRESH.
We can honestly say that without Kickstarter and our backers, we wouldn't have been here today.
Today we're launching something truly special. It's made for the ones of us who see life as one big adventure.
A backpack with a sleek design, the functionality of a hiking backpack, and water resistance for everyday use.
Here's the problem. Most backpacks makes it look like I'm going hiking, or they have limited functionality. So we decided to email our customers and learn about their needs. And we learned 2 important things.
9 out of 10 times, backpacks are used for daily commutes to the office or gym, not for hiking or traveling. And 82% never take trips longer than 3 days without a suitcase.
So I got really excited about developing a backpack that I can use for 99% of my own life.
I know Casper now for 10 years and he's always been obsessed with bags. I think Casper might have even more bags than I have shoes.
This is why we added the 7 most requested features. Thanks to a proprietary compression system, it's like having 2 bags in one. It works like one big compression cube. Even when expanded, it still fits as free carry-on luggage for all major airlines.
We're from Amsterdam and it rains here a lot, so obviously we had to make it rainproof.
A passport compartment that's easy to reach while wearing the backpack. Say goodbye to smelly backpacks. We developed an antibacterial tote bag, cushioned laptop compartment for extra protection. No more sweaty backs thanks to ultra-breathable mesh, so you can bike without worrying about getting a wet back. The entire backpack is made from luxurious and highly durable materials.
And since we love the planet, it's 100% made of vegan and recycled materials. We recognize the trust you placed in us by backing our campaign. We are serial crowdfunders with 130,000 customers in 82 countries, and we treat our community with the utmost respect. Just check out the 1,000 reviews on Google and Trustpilot. They always make me very happy.
Launching new products is scary. It requires a lot of resources for us to get a new innovation out of the lab and into a real supply chain. So we really hope you like what you see and that you will back our campaign today.